What's up, guys? This is Ryan with appcalendar.com, and I've got the January 21st iPhone application to review for the app calendar. The app that I'm going to review today is an application called TextNow. What TextNow does is it allows you to send an unlimited amount of text messages from your iPhone or your iPod Touch to any U.S. mobile number in the United States. And these include actual mobile phones, which I'm going to show you. I have this old school Nokia here, which is actually one of my business lines, and I'm going to show you how to send and receive text to a phone so the actual phone that you're sending to doesn't have to have this application installed, which is really, really cool. So you'll see four main options when you load this application. We have the edit option, which I can actually edit the messages that I have down here. Compose new message icon, options, and refresh. If I click refresh, it'll actually update this screen, but since nobody knows my TextNow account yet, I obviously don't have any messages. So I'm going to go into the options here, just show you the options. First off, we have your name. This is a name that your recipients will receive showing the incoming text message. So mine is set to unique apps right now. You can change this to anything you want. You have your texting address. This is actually a permanent address that you'll be able to set up with TextNow once you sign up. Mine's unique apps at textnow.me. We can import Facebook profile pics. I'm not going to do that, but you can actually import pics for your friends as well as your own pictures from Facebook. Appearance and sounds gives you a few different options. We have a color scheme. Right now mine's set to steel blue, but there's four other options you can set to. We have a background image. This actually gives you a bundled images that you can select as your background. Mine is set to this Lamborghini and plain one because I think it's a pretty cool image. Then we have, let me go back to appearance and sound. Landscape mode I have turned on. And my default ringtone, I can set the ringtones for my text messages for anything. Right now I'm going to set it to, set it back to tritone. And then those are all for the options there. Now a couple cool advanced options in this application. We have TextNow to TextNow. What this does is basically routes all, when this is turned on, it routes all your text messages from your friends that are using TextNow to your actual application, so you can have all your text messages in one spot. I'm going to leave that off. We also have an email forwarding feature. Once this feature is turned on, all your text messages that you receive will automatically be forwarded to an email address. Pretty cool feature if you're on your email client a lot. I'm going to leave both of those off though, and I'm going to show you the last of the options. We have our subscription option. When you purchase this application, you're actually purchasing 3 months of unlimited text. So there's two options to purchase more texting. There's 1 year of unlimited texting for $3.99, or there's unlimited texting for a lifetime for $7.99. Now, if you consider the fact that most mobile carriers actually charge you up about $5 a month for unlimited texting, $7.99 is actually pretty cheap when it accounts for the lifetime. And again, these are text to actual mobile phones, which I'm going to show you in just a second. I'm going to go back to the options. There's two more options where you can either share this on Twitter or share this on Facebook, which I'm not going to do right now. I'm going to go ahead and click Done, and I'm actually just going to show you, I've got a text message up here open. This will actually go to my mobile phone right here. I just tested it a second ago. Here's my background image that I saved a second ago. And you'll see that the first message that I typed here, it says testing. And then the message that I replied back to that just says, hey. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to just say, hey dude. I'm going to go ahead and click send. And this is going to send a text message through their network to this phone. And I'll go ahead and leave the camera running. There it says one message. I'll go ahead and click save. From unique apps, hey dude. Now I can reply back to this. The cool thing is you can send them. I'm just going to type in hey again because I don't like typing on these little keypads. This is my business line that I just mainly use for outgoing calls if I don't want people to have my cell phone number. So I just sent another message from this phone, and it will appear in my TextNow app. And again, so the cool thing about this application is that the recipient actually doesn't have to have the application, which is a really neat feature. Now sometimes, as you can tell, It does take a few seconds to send the text message. Now remember, this is going through their servers and being routed to this phone. So there's the message that I just received from them. Again, or a couple other options. I can type in these little smileys here if I want. But that's it. Now, if you look in here, I can actually, when I compose a message, I can enter a name or a phone number, or I can actually select from my contacts. Now, I actually selected this phone from my contacts, which I'm actually not going to show you my information in there. I'll go back to hit cancel, but very cool application. That's my review of TextNow. Highly recommended if you don't want to pay those monthly charges for unlimited texting. Very smooth working application. Works really well texting to any US mobile phone. So hope you enjoyed this review. And also, before I forget to mention, if that's even a phrase, the developers were kind enough to hook me up with 10 promo codes for this application. So if you look in the description, if you're watching this on YouTube, I've got 10 promo codes for this application that are listed on the blog there. So if you're one of the first 10 people to snag one of those codes, congratulations. Thanks to the developer for hooking me up with those 10 promo codes. And enjoy this application. I think you're gonna like it. That's the January 21st iPhone application review for the app calendar. Hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you all soon. Have a good one.